Hiccups. We've all had them. But do you know why we get them? Hiccups happen when our diaphragm, a muscle that helps us breathe, spasms unexpectedly. This makes us suddenly inhale and voila, a hiccup. But what triggers them? Eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even sudden excitement can do the trick. The longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. Babies hiccup in the womb. People have all kinds of tricks to stop hiccups, holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or even scaring yourself. But do they work? Next time you get the hiccups, you'll know what's happening. For more cool facts and science mysteries, hit that subscribe button.